Hi, my name is Kelly Mayer. I have grown up in Kansas City, uh, lived here my entire life except for about a 2 year window when we moved to Pennsylvania. Gosh, that was back in 2000, so that was quite a bit ago. I live in Prairie Village and grew up in Prairie Village. That is my beloved yellow lab, Jake, that just walked through. So we have one pet, and he is about 10 years old now. My husband and I have been married over 31 years, and we have four grown children, two boys and two girls. Both of our daughters also work at the University of Kansas Health System, which is where I work. I'm a quality outcomes coordinator working in quality and safety and working in a data registry for a bariatric program that's becoming a center of excellence for the hospital. And before that, most of my career I spent working with on mother baby, pre and post surgical units for many, many years. Worked some in a pediatrician's office, but the majority is in pre-op and PACU. What else? For hobbies, I enjoy running, yoga, especially hot yoga and yoga with weights. And I can't wait to be able to really get back into the studio. Hopefully within the next couple months would be awesome. And my specialty I was just telling you about, working towards a center of excellence for the hospital, but also the newest specialty would be working for employee support team for KU during this time, coming together and working on support for our COVID positive employees, and risk stratifying them and triaging and swabbing and pretty much everything. So the last 9 months has actually been extremely rewarding in my nursing career. I hope to learn more in this class. There's so much regarding safety and care for our patients. So really looking at what all is involved in with standards and root cause analysis, and just deeper dive in ways to help prevent risks, poor outcomes for our patients. So I think that will be very interesting to learn. And if I could think of one unique thing about myself, I would say I think I could be on Name That Tune. I I think I could do pretty well. I love all sorts of music. I've been to hundreds of concerts. Everything. I love everything from old country to hip hop to big fan of U2. Just I'm all over the map. So that would be the one unique thing about me. Anyway, it'll be great getting to know all of you through your posts and watching your videos. And I hope you enjoy what's left of the weekend. Thanks.